Hello, this is William Lane Craig. Credible sociological surveys have revealed an unexpected resurgence of openness and interest among students in the existence of God and the gospel of Jesus Christ. I believe that reasonable faith is strategically positioned to supply the evangelistic and discipleship tools to help further this young generation. During the last year, we've continued to produce our animated videos. We have a wonderful series of videos on the existence of God and the evidence for Jesus. And now we're producing an ongoing series on the attributes of God, just releasing the video on divine omniscience, and the next one to come out will be on divine omnipotence. We've also got a new Equip course on the atonement and are developing an app so that you can download these courses and access them easily using your mobile device. We have now over 255 local Reasonable Faith chapters all around the world, from Europe to Nepal to Australia to Muslim countries. And these chapter directors who lead these studies are vetted, qualified people, extraordinarily talented, committed to the task of worldwide evangelism and discipleship. All of this is undergirded like an iceberg by my years of scholarly research, which is bearing fruit now in my 5-volume systematic philosophical theology. I am currently working on the final volume of this work. It is this sort of depth that undergirds our popular level material for student and lay audiences that helps to make Reasonable Faith so effective and so strategic in reaching this younger generation. This fall, we're having our annual matching grant campaign. A group of donors is donating $250,000 to match your donation to Reasonable Faith given between now and the end of the year. Dollar for dollar, every gift will be matched up to $250,000. And this will put us in a good position for beginning the new year. So I hope you'll give prayerful consideration to including Reasonable Faith among the Christian ministries and charities that you support. Thank you so much for your interest and for your support in this strategic ministry.